Welcome back to my channel. So I hope all of you are doing well and staying happy. So today we have decided to go to Ajman. That too just 20 minutes ago we just planned that we will go to Ajman. There is a place, a drive-through place called as Spot. So we have seen that place a couple of times, so we thought why don't we go, because we don't have anything else to do. And on the way to Ajman we passed through Al Quwain. When we are going from Ras Al Khaimah, we passed through Al Quwain, and there is a Russian flight over there, a Russian aircraft which was landed years ago. So I'll show you that flight as well, and what are the things available at Spot. So let's go. Hello guys, so I'm now in a place called as Spot in Ajman, and this is a drive-through food truck place wherein you just bring your car, drive through the food truck and just order whatever you want. You have some burgers, joints, donuts and coffee shops, barbecue wings. So it's just a different kind of experience, just like Last Exit in Abu Dhabi. So it's similar to that, and you can just come and have coffee and just go by drive-through method. And this is a quite nice spot. So this was a sudden plan. We didn't have anywhere to go, so we thought we have many times passed through this place and we wondered what is this. So we thought why don't we just come and check out, and this is quite nice place. So let's see whether we can explore more here, whether we can eat here. It's too early for us to eat, so if we can spend some time. And this is facing the mangroves. There is a slight water and mangroves, so only the smell is not too good. So other than that, it's a good view, beautiful sunset you can get from here, and you can just enjoy a different kind of a meal from here. So you can see the cars are parked in drive-through, and you just look out at the menu and order whatever you want and go into the parking and eat, or you can just go away and eat also. There are parking spots over here. You can see there are enough parking spots. And you have some burger joints, as I told. Then there are some barbecue wings and donuts and coffee. So guys, if you are in Ras Al Khaimah or UAE, just try to visit this place, Spot in Ajman, which is quite good. Similar to the Last Exit, but not as advanced or as beautiful as Last Exit. But this is, for people for this side, not UAE, not Emirate, Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, Sharjah. This is something really nice, a different evening out. So I have ordered a cappuccino and some donuts, so we'll just drink that and enjoy, and let's go. So guys, this is the Spot Al Zora. It's really done nicely in this particular small place. So guys, cappuccino has come. It has come with donuts. Now these are rest of the donuts, and this is a mini donut. It looks very cute actually. So let me have the coffee and the donut, and I'll let you know how it is. So these are the mini donuts. It looks yum, and they have put a lot of glaze on it. So let me just try and I'll let you know, okay? So I'm going to try. Mine looks like chocolate. It's really good. It's freshly done donuts. and they put the glaze on top of it fresh, so it's really good. Fresh donuts, really fresh donuts. I will put the location of this particular place in the description, so whoever are living in this particular area, that is Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, Sharjah, Umm Al Quwain area, can come and visit this place and have a different evening with your family and kids. So hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So until next time, bye bye guys.